今日有咩小提示俾自己呢？ Get focused， 專注 focus to attract what I want. First, I get clear on what it is I desire. I envision it for a minute or more every day, feeling how it would feel to have this in my life. What I would do, how I'd react and would react, and who I'd tell. I picture it all through my continual alignment with my desires. They begin to flow into my physical reality in divine timing. 我每日都會花至少1分鐘去幻想，由心感受嗰種夢想成真嘅滋味。我會想像自己到時做緊咩，有咩反應，邊個會諗我開心，而我又會第一時間話俾邊個知。腦海中嘅畫面，我全部都冇得清清楚楚。只要我持續令自己嘅身心靈與願望合一，佢最合適嘅時機，呢一切就會自然而然佢喺我生命中實現。